Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit after posting on Instagram. That's how to fix mistakes instantly. It is a fast and easy tutorial and let's go straight into it. Have you posted something on Instagram and then you just noticed that typo? Or maybe you forgot to tag your bestie, your girlfriend or boyfriend, or you want to drop that perfect caption which you just remembered. Don't panic. This is how we are going to do it. First, we need to make sure that the Instagram app is updated to make sure that we are enjoying the latest features of the app. So to do that, go to Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram like so. Now, if you have something written update like mine here, click on it to update the app and just wait for some moment. Once it's done, go ahead and click on the Instagram app to open. Now we are inside here with all these reels and posts from your friends or suggestions. And at the bottom, we have these options. Go ahead and click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once inside here, this is where you will see your posts. Just find your posting, which has a mistake that needs to be fixed. Click on it like that. And once you are inside, you'll see these three dots. Go ahead and click on it. And as you can see, we have an option written edit. Just tap on it. And inside here, you can see that I had made a mistake on my captions. I just wrote, hey guys, with a double Y, and I need to correct that and remove one Y. I also wrote subscribe instead of subscribe. So I need to remove that S in between the U and B, like so. And you have now the error fixed. Once you are satisfied, you just need to click on the done button or the tick button. What you just need to note or a tip is that you can't really edit the video that you already posted. So you need to be keen when you are posting. Let the error be the captions only. And also, you can just edit on the cover and you can add the hashtags, you can change the location, you can tag people, and many more tips. Initially, you had to delete first the post and then re-add it, but nowadays you just need to edit it. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and click on that notification bell to never miss an update.